from the Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration had arrived in the Mapusa yard today for routine sampling, and there was a tip-off also that we have received that there is artificial ripening which happens, and in view of that we were carrying out a surveillance check, and while carrying out the surveillance check we have found this consignment which is being ripened using a chemical which is not allowed, and this stock has currently been detained by us. We have also informed the municipality and we are waiting for the vehicle from the municipality, by which with the help of the municipality we will be destroying this stock. This stock belongs to a person called Asif, and we have booked Asif now for carrying out this alleged artificial ripening.
What chemical use what chemical?
They are using a chemical called Ethapone. Ethapone is a plant growth regulator which is ideally used for agricultural purpose, but it is not permitted to be used on fruits. So hence they are misusing this chemical. There are other approved ripening methods, and we have appealed to the yard to fix a ethylene gas chamber here, which is the approved method as per the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, and we have made a request to them that they make these gas ripening chambers available here so that this malpractice stops. In our recent checks, we have seen that many of these other vendors have resorted to traditional methods by putting the bhatti, and most of them are doing these bhattis, but there are few people who engage in these unapproved methods, and today since we have found this person, we will be taking strict action. In the earlier raids also there was one vendor called Hanif who was booked, and this matter is filed and it is currently sub judice in the JMFC court.
Okay, kitla ton hai tumka kitla?
Roughly this is I think around 9 tons of bananas here which has been withheld by us. Fines as such, in such cases there is no fine, we have to book a case, so the court decides the fate. Okay, so this becomes a serious case, and already the last non-compliance where in our last visit where we had done, we have booked the case and it is currently under trial. So if convicted, if proved in the court, then there is imprisonment for this offence, and then the court also imposes a fine.
So कितले harmful जाऊ शकता ये banana जी त्यांच्याने chemical use केला ते after eating for this?
ते सांगपाक कितले harmful जातले, it is difficult, but it is not a good practice. So depending on the concentration also of what they are using, all these factors are taken into consideration. But yes, since it is not approved by law, it will have an effect on the health, which will maybe lead to some gastric issues, and also that maybe the medical fraternity will be in a better position to explain. But nevertheless, the law doesn't permit this practice of spraying the chemical on them.